Hey guys, my name's Randall and welcome to my channel. Glad to have you here. Today I thought I'd share with you 5 things that I buy at Harbor Freight. Helps me save some money. I catch them on sale. That's the key thing here. Let's get started. Number 1, I got them on. My favorite things at Harbor Freight. These 7mm gloves. They are almost like indestructible. They tear nothing like the other gloves, but yet you can feel things. I love these gloves. Number 2 is zip ties. You can't beat the price, guys. You catch them on sale for 99 cents for a 100 count. You get them in white or black. You can't beat them. And number 3 is going to be duct tape. Why go to Walmart and pay more for it when I can catch it on sale at Harbor Freight? Save me some money here and there. You got to have duct tape. Might as well save $1 or $2. And number 4, PB blaster. If you do any kind of mechanic work, whether it be on a car, a truck, a mini bike, go-kart, bicycle, you're going to run into a rusted nut bolt. You got to have this. You catch it on sale, it'll be $1 cheaper than you can get it at Walmart. Got to have it. Number 5 is going to be this 4-pack by Grant's Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. When you catch them on sale, I'll go up there, I'll grab 3 or 4 packs. I like to keep one thrown in the truck, throw one in the car, keep 3 or 4 laying around here in the shop in a drawer. They're excellent for wiping the tools down. So, hope that helped some of y'all. And please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and Randall Reed out, guys. Have a great day.